Well, hello guys, it's legoshowtv here. This time I'm doing another Lego Ninjago Sons of Garmadon set. This is the KatanaV11, 257 pieces, ages 7 to 14, 70638. Comes with Kai and Luke Cunningham. There you can see Garmadon at the top there. And then you can see the features of the set. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the set itself. To make this review a little bit shorter, I am going to do all of it in one go. So, yeah. So we're going to take Kai out. And you can see that you can put him in there. If I can just remove him. And let's take a look at him first as well. You can see he has brand new torso detailing, and he's in his Sons of Garmadon outfit, which is very nice. You can see the torso detailing, leg detailing. It's the same movie face as we've gotten to recently like. For some of us, we like it. I'm really digging this more than the original movie suit. So, yeah. I can't wait to use it in my series. And you'll be seeing it not too long after the pilot episode goes out. So you can see the back torso detailing and of course the back head detailing. And that is Kai. That is Kai. And we can take a look at Luke Cunningham. You can see that he is a member of the Sons of Garmadon crew, and he might be one of those samurai mystery people that Lloyd fights on the rooftop of Borg Industries. And you can see, you can take his gear off here. He has the same little thing as Mr. E. And you can see his torso detailing, leg detailing, facial detailing, back torso detailing, Sons of Garmadon emblem. And then there's no back head detailing, of course. That is about it for Luke Cunningham. You can see what he looks like right there. And you can see what he looks like with the thing down. And then here is the bike he has. It's just like the Age of Ultron bike that Black Widow has. I think it's the exact same one with just stickers on the side of it. So that's not really that new except for the stickers. And it doesn't stand up too well. As for the KatanaV11, here you got some stickers going on here, right here, and then you got some exhaust right here and the flames in the back, and then you have stickers right here. And of course you can put him inside of there. And you've got a printed piece. You zoom in right here. You got a printed piece there, and on the top here. You can also lift this up to reveal a place for swords, which is pretty nice. And then if we do this, we have attack mode. So you're supposed to put spring-loaded missiles on each side, but I'm not going to do that because I'll probably lose them. So this is what boat attack mode looks like. So yeah. You know what? I am going to put the missiles in there, but I'm not going to fire them because you know what they do. You know what they do enough to me not having to launch them. And then here's what it looks like when you fold it up back into regular mode, which is pretty nice. So I think that's about it for the Katana V11 set. So now let's go on to the ratings. What is that? The set cost $20 and I got it at Barnes & Noble, and surprisingly they let me have some of them because they said Lego, since everybody else putting them out, has lifted the street date. So yeah, you can go buy them now. Woohoo! And I also got the High Spinjitzu Master set in the Temple of Resurrection if you haven't seen my other video. So yeah, I'll be reviewing those as soon as I get the other ones done. I actually might review the Kai spinner next. It's little. And then so yeah, be expecting as soon as I get the Temple of the Ultimate Weapon done, be expecting before a review of that comes out, the Temple of Resurrection. So yep, that's about it for this video. I am going to give this set a 10. I do like it, except for this boat, or this this bike. Sorry, I got the hiccups. I really do like it. You get some amazing features. This is pretty much the first boat that they've actually functionally give us as a set for Ninjago, and they've done a pretty good job with it. And it does have a substantial role in my videos that is going to come out soon. So, yep, that's about it. I always try to get Kai's suit first. That didn't happen right away, so yeah, getting it right now is pretty cool. So, India has the exact same suit design, so there won't be much difference when I finally do get the Nightcrawler. And I might do a comparison to that. So, to her, or to all the ninja to each other. So, yep. I'm gonna give this set a 10. The bike, it doesn't set up, but it's not gonna take away from that set. It doesn't stand up very well like that, but I feel like send it up like that does better. But it doesn't really take away from the set that much. More of like a structure build or a little watercraft for the But yeah, that's about it. So please comment, like, and subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye.